You've already seen how NavigationLink lets us push to a detail screen, which might be a custom view or one of SwiftUI's built-in types such as text or image. Because we're inside a navigation view, iOS automatically provides a back button to let users get back to the previous screen, and they can also swipe from the left edge to go back. However, sometimes it's useful to programmatically go back, i.e. to move back to the previous screen when we want rather than when the user swipes. To demonstrate this, we're going to add one last feature to our app that deletes whatever book the user is currently looking at. To do this, we have to show an alert asking the user if they really want to delete the book. Then delete the book from the current managed object context if that's what they want. Once that's done, there's no point staying on the current screen because its associated book doesn't exist anymore. So we're going to pop the current view, i.e. remove it from the top of the navigation view stack so we move back to the previous screen. First, we need 3 new properties in our detail view struct. One to hold our core data managed object context so we can delete stuff. One to hold our presentation mode so we can pop the view off the navigation stack. And one to control whether we're showing the delete confirmation alert or not. At environment, managed object context, var mock, at environment, presentation mode, var presentation mode. At state, private var, showing delete alert equals false. The second step is writing a method that deletes the current book from our managed object context and dismisses the current view. It doesn't matter that this view is being shown using a navigation link rather than a sheet. We still use the same presentation mode.wrappedValue.dismiss code. So add this method to detail view now. Func delete book, mock delete book, try ? self.mock.save, and I'll comment that out so our deletion isn't permanent just for testing purposes, and then presentation mode.wrappedValue.dismiss. The third step is to add an alert modifier that watches showing delete alert, along with an alert view inside it asking the user to confirm the action. So far we've been using simple alerts with a dismiss button, but here we need 2 buttons. One button to delete the book, and another to cancel. SwiftUI gives us 2 specific buttons for this purpose. .destructive takes a title and action closure and is shown in red to warn users it will destroy data. And .cancel will just cause the alert to be dismissed. Apple provides very clear guidance on how we should label alert text, but it comes down to this. If it's a simple I understand acceptance, then OK is good. But if you want users to make a choice, they should avoid using titles like yes and no, and instead use verbs such as ignore, reply, and confirm. In this instance, we're going to use delete for the destructive button, then provide a cancel button next to it so users can back out of deleting if they want to. So add this modifier to the geometry reader in detail view. .alert is presented $showing delete alert, alert, title, text delete book, message, text are you sure, primary button, .destructive, text delete, self.delete book, secondary button, .cancel. The final step is to add a navigation bar item that starts the deletion process. This just needs to flip the showing delete alert boolean because our alert modifier is already watching it. So add this one last modifier to the geometry reader in detail view. Navigation bar items, trailing, button, action, self.showing delete alert equals true, image, system name, trash. You can now delete books in content view using swipe to delete or the edit button, or navigate into detail view, then tap the delete button in there. It should delete the book, update the list in content view, then automatically dismiss the detail view. That's another app complete. Good job.